Hi guys, Eric here with Graybeard Gardening PDX. Today we're going to shoot a quick video getting these seeds that we started on 425, getting these transplanted into 3.5-inch pots. And we did have some San Marzanos, some Sun Golds, and some Shishitos that we are going to transplant today. The habaneros and the black beauties did not see very much success here, so I might be starting over on those, but tune in and we'll go ahead and get going here. So we've got some San Marzanos right here that we're going to start with. I do have some 3.5-inch pots that I've filled about half or maybe 1/3 of the way up. I did that because if you look at these San Marzanos, they are pretty stretchy as far as getting fairly long. You know, this is about 3 inches right there. So we're going to bury those a little bit further so that we get some root systems coming from the bottom here a little bit more. Let's go ahead and take a look at some of these. I started some habaneros from Botanical Interest that did not go well so far. I think these were my fault because when I did check the peat moss pellets, they were very, very saturated with water. So I think that I oversaturated these so that they were just drowning and not being able to, get proper propagation. Black Beauty eggplant over here, I think I had the same thing. Nothing came up, and right now they should have come up about the same time as the shishito. But at this point, we're going to start those over today and just cut our losses. We're going to transplant what is up today and get those going. Just taking the biggest out of the San Marzanos. You see how tall that one is? We still have 2 there, so I will thin that out. And just take a look at that beautiful root system there. And I just went ahead and sat that right in its pot, and we'll fill those in a moment. Those are San Marzanos. Again, really nice root systems, really nice healthy growth. You can see 3 of them came up that time. All right, I am gonna just thin these out before we bury them. I hadn't really given too much thought to that, but all right. All right, thinned out and ready to go. Isopropyl alcohol. And we got now we got our Sun Golds. If you're not familiar with Sun Golds, you're not going to really see these at the store. These are supposed to be some of the best tasting cherry tomatoes that you can buy or that you can grow, because you won't find them at the store. But these are a treasure around the garden because they're delicious. one more sun gold. And you can see here that this one didn't even come up out of the hole that we planted it in. So it just found its way up. Alright, and now for the Shishitos. I've got 4 of them here. I'm only going to plant the 3 healthiest. Oh, really small, delicate plant right now. But you can see a nice little taproot down there. Much bigger taproot here. We're gonna go with that one. Just gonna make sure that has some nice support around that really delicate stem. Shishito. And these San Marzanos are just backups for us. So we'll find someone to give these to if we don't need them. Last year was my first year growing sun golds, and they were a big hit with everyone that tried them. So I'm going with 2 plants of sun golds this year. I got 3 planted here just so I could have an extra if I need it. Right, and these are ready to join the others under the light. We're going to put these off on the side of my grow tent so that they don't get completely blasted, and see how they do. But I'm very excited about these. Really appreciate you guys tuning in today. And as you can see, these trays are super sturdy. I had to go pick up some of these today because my other cardboard trays were actually doing pretty badly after watering so much in them, so they were about to collapse on me on the bottom. But at this point, guys, I really appreciate you guys tuning in, and right now we're going to go ahead and get these back under lights. And other than that, we'll have a lot of content coming to you over the next few weeks, so please tune in. And if you haven't yet, if I've earned your subscription, remember to hit the like and subscribe button down below. And we'll see you next time on Graybeard Gardening PDX. Thanks again for tuning in. Bye-bye.